Well, welcome back to another edition of Mikey's Mail. We've received a question on the actual fan page network on what does 2SCTOG mean? So it's two single stitches together. So I have to wait for the viewer to get a hold of me in order to ask, I don't know if she's decreasing or increasing. So I'm going to show this tutorial on how to increase your stitches so that if it was two stitches together in one hole, it causes it to increase. So let's do that here. So I'm going to just show it, and she said 2SC, so it's single crochet, so let's maintain that. So we're just finishing a line, so to go back across the line, we just chain one, and then going into the very first one. And this is how you would increase your stitches. So let's go to the next chain here. So there's your chain. Okay, so when we single crochet, we just go right into the chain, so we have two left on top. We pull through. Okay, and then we pull through. Okay, so to increase, we would go into that exact same stitch again and pull through. So let's go into the next one. So what we're doing is 2SC together. See that? So what's going to happen is that every stitch gets a double. And whatever pattern you're doing, it's going to tell you saying, well, single crochet 7 in a row on the 8th, 2SC together. So you're going to single crochet 7, and on the 8th you'll put 2 single crochets into the same hole. And by putting 2 crochet stitches into the same hole, it causes your material to expand. And by expanding, it could cause it to ruffle, if that's what you're desiring, or if you're just doing some odd shape other than a square. This is how you would do. This is how you would do so. And remember, what becomes, a lot of people have problems with the end. And remember, when you come to the end, I'm just going to put 2 single crochets in the end. When you come to the end, make sure you don't jump down into this hole. You have to actually grab it by the stitch. So now when you look at this, we've just done 2 single crochets together. Do you see how it's just changed everything? It's caused it to be an oval shape, and when you look really carefully at it, you can see that every stitch has 2. So let's just, for example, say that we're going to do that one more row of doing the exact same thing. I just want to show you what kind of impact it is. The crochet hook I'm using today is a size K, and it is provided by firestormcreations.com, and really awesome if you're looking for a crochet hook with a handmade handle. She is your person to contact, and it's firestormcreations.com, and a link to her is provided on my homepage here on YouTube. So I'm going to put 2 single crochets into every stitch, and I just want to show you how. So what's happening basically is when you do that, you're doubling your stitch space in the same area. So it's causing a rotation effect to happen, and eventually you put enough of these in here, it's going to cause your whole material to ruffle. So we're at 3 minutes 27 seconds. I want to finish up soon. So this is how you would increase doing 2 stitches together. So basically, whatever line you had, you're going to be doubling your stitches. So I've already doubled it once because I've already gone through one line already. And again, I'm so sorry about the background noise today. Daniel, as I mentioned during my Ustream presentation, is that he is renovating the downstairs. Okay. So now when you look at it, you've just done 2 single crochets, and see how it's ruffling like that? And that's because you're increasing your stitches, but the where you started hasn't increased. So it's causing a ruffle effect, and that is 2 stitches together. And over time, you see you've gotten a perfect semicircle. So this is, when you're doing that, it's a perfect way of getting a circle, but you have a bit, obviously you can't just do it this way. You got to do other things in order to cause it to be a better circle than what you see. So there you go. That's it.